Good morning, Gators.
This is the Gator News Network.
My name is Miriam Smith.
And my name is Chow.
Today is Tuesday, September 14th, Analog Day.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please be seated.
We will now begin a moment of silence.
It's time for lunch.
What time is it?
It's time for lunch.
What time is it?
It's time for lunch.
What time is it?
It's time for lunch.
It's lunchtime.
Hey, what's for lunch?
Have a great day, Gators.
And have a terrific Tuesday.
Stay tuned for Battle of the Books information.
And for the South Florida Fair Art Contest information.
And
Go Gators!
Battle of the Books is back. Form a team, read books, and compete against other teams. Meetings will be held twice a month in room 925. The first meeting will be held Tuesday, September 14th at 4:15 to 5 o'clock. WLMS will be participating in the annual South Florida Fair Design Contest. This year's contest has a robot theme. If you would like to help design the robot for WLMS, join the Google Classroom with code G2IIR5G.